Ever wondered how to make the best ice cream soda ever? Well, wonder no more. Today we're diving into the delicious world of this classic dessert drink. Start by choosing your favorite flavor of ice cream. While vanilla is a traditional choice, there's no rule saying you can't get creative. Chocolate, strawberry, cookies and cream, go wild. Next, grab a tall glass. Not just any glass, mind you, but one that can hold all the goodness you're about to create. Fill this glass halfway with your chosen ice cream. That's right, halfway. It might seem like a lot, but trust me, it's worth it. Now, it's time for the soda. A good quality root beer or cream soda works best, but again, feel free to experiment. Pour the soda slowly over the ice cream, filling the glass to about 3/4 full. And here's the secret to the best ice cream soda ever. Give it a gentle stir, not too much, just enough to get the ice cream and soda to start mingling. This creates that frothy, creamy texture that makes an ice cream soda so irresistible. But we're not done yet. Top off the glass with a little more ice cream. This gives you that perfect melting scoop to enjoy with your straw or spoon. And there you have it, a perfect ice cream soda. So to summarize, choose your favorite ice cream, grab a tall glass and fill it halfway with ice cream. Slowly pour soda over the ice cream until the glass is 3/4 full. Give it a gentle stir to create a creamy, frothy texture. Top off with a little more ice cream, and voila, the best ice cream soda ever. Remember, the beauty of this recipe is in its simplicity and its flexibility. Feel free to play around with different flavors and combinations. After all, the best ice cream soda is the one that makes you smile. Happy sipping!